Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive handloom summer friendly collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful, smart, trendy one. Sambalpuri khadi, beautiful one, bright looks. Let me open without running blouse piece. Very smart looks. This one is full base part, temple pattern. Pure Sambalpuri khadi. This one is full base part, beautiful color. This one is border portions, contrast color, temple ikat pattern, and this one is beautiful pallu, fully Sambalpuri katki khadi. Very beautiful one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful one without running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful exclusive summer looks. This one also pure cotton with big exclusive weaving border design, very beautiful color, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is premium quality pure handloom cotton. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design border, stripes pattern with beautiful fine weaving pattern. And this one is full base part, pure cotton by cotton, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, based for your summer wear, very exclusive one without running blouse piece. Contrast border, weaving design, middle portion, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful pom-pom design with smart stripes one without running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, soft, comfortable one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with multicolor weaving polka design and border portions very beautiful one, multicolor fully temple weaving design. This one is full base part, full base part is beautiful one, multicolor weaving polka design. And this one is border portions, golden zari with temple weaving design, jamdani weaving temple design, very nice one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, stripes, middle portion with beautiful floral jamdani work, highlighted the pallu, very smart, bright, beautiful looks. Premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material. This one is full base part, very soft one, comfortable. And this one is beautiful border design, temple weaving, jamdani weaving temple design, and full base part is buta. Polka weaving polka design, multicolor. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, very bright, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, smart, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, pure khadi cotton with work, very exclusive, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. Let me open. This one is off-white base is off-white, pure handloom premium quality khadi cotton. This one is border portions, very beautiful one, ikat contrast color, ikat pattern, checks with beautiful weaving design border, very nice one, beautiful, smart, elegant looks, very exclusive one. This one is border portions, checks, contrast color, checks, ikat border with fine weaving, fully hand weaving design. And this one is middle portion, very nice one, stripes with ikat pattern, contrast color one. And this one is border portions, contrast color border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine, fully hand weaving, fine design, very nice one, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful hand weaving design, very nice one, highlighted the pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one is full base part, pure handloom khadi cotton, ikat border, weaving design, checks with weaving design border, very highlighted the border portion and the middle portion of the saree, very exclusive one. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, multicolor checks with weaving, floral weaving, polka weaving buta design, contrast blouse piece for your elegant, exclusive, bright looks. Very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations, bright also, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful border, contrast color border. This one is full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving work, buta, golden zari with contrast red shaded threaded weaving design buta, and this one is border portions, very nice one, contrast color, silk material border, highlighted golden zari stripes with ikat pattern, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful fine hand weaving buta design. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy weaving golden zari heavy weaving design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very smart, trendy, bright looks, based for your party wear also. This one is contrast border, ikat pattern, fine ikat pattern with golden zari weaving buta, full base part, golden zari with contrast threaded weaving design buta, very smart, elegant looks. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, very bright, elegant one, and this one is contrast color pallu with beautiful weaving design, very nice one, bright, beautiful, smart looks, silk material, shiny silk material border, and this one is heavy weaving design, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, exclusive party looks. This one also very nice one, natural fabric, layer by layer with beautiful jamdani weaving design, very smart one, silk pink base, baby pink base, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving jamdani weaving buta. This one is full base part, natural fabric, layer by layer, and this one is silver zari border with beautiful weaving buta, and this one is full base part, fine silver zari border, pink base, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, beautiful border is beautiful, weaving buta, jamdani weaving, hand weaving buta, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted contrast color, highlighted stripes lines with beautiful weaving buta design, very nice one, soft, smart, elegant looks. This one is border portion, silver zari with buta weaving, and this one is full base part, natural fabric, layer by layer. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, cotton silk material with printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant looks. This one also very bright and elegant one, cotton silk material. Let me open, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful weaving buta, contrast color with golden zari weaving, combined weaving buta design. This one is full base part, white base, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material, and this one is fine golden zari border, and this one is buta, beautiful fine weaving design, dobby weaving, dobby pattern weaving design buta. This one is full base part, contrast color with golden zari weaving design buta. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk, pure white one, golden zari border with beautiful weaving buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes with temple weaving design, highlighted pallu part, temple weaving design, and this one is full pallu part, fine weaving, dobby weaving work, very nice one, soft, smart, elegant looks, beautiful one. And I will suggest this ikat contrast blouse piece, pure cotton fabric with ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one also very exclusive one, beautiful one. Let me open. Very elegant looks, pure cotton, pure handloom cotton with multi-color border. This one is full base part, this one is border, multi-color stripes pattern border, and this one is full base part, pure handloom cotton fabric, and this one is texture stripes, fine stripes, texture weaving, stripes pattern weaving design, full base part. and this one is beautiful multicolor stripes border, very highlighted one, and this one is full base part, fine stripes pattern, texture stripes pattern, full base. This one is pure handloom cotton fabric, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, multicolor stripes with gicha highlighted portion pallu. This portion is gicha, pure gicha, and this one is highlighted stripes. Very nice one, bright, beautiful, smart, exclusive looks. This one is border, pure cotton, and I will suggest this ikat contrast blouse piece, pure cotton fabric, soft cotton fabric, ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. And also very exclusive, elegant one, classic khadi, beautiful one, contrast border, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful texture weaving, classic khadi, contrast border, and this one is full base part, very nice one, fully texture weaving, pure khadi, classic khadi. This one is full base part, very smart, beautiful, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, different texture pattern stripes with texture pattern stripes weaving design, very nice one, beautiful, smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, summer friendly, very trendy and exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant looks. Very nice one. This one also very beautiful, soft, comfortable one, pure handloom khadi cotton, soft khadi cotton with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, contrast border, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful one, very comfortable, soft, pure handloom khadi cotton with fine weaving design, fully hand weaving, fine design buta, and this one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, pure handloom khadi cotton with fully hand weaving buta design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes pattern, temple box with beautiful weaving design, stripes pattern, highlighted buta, very exclusive, fine weaving design, soft, lightweight, comfortable, traditional looks, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, contrast color, bright border, and this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, beautiful looks. Very nice one. Very beautiful one, bright pink shade, pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful bright color, golden zari border, and this one is full base part is beautiful contrast color with golden zari weaving buta. This one is full base part, fine weaving design buta work, golden zari with contrast threaded weaving design buta, and this one is border, golden zari border, bright pink shade, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu, very smart, bright looks, based for your party wear, bright pink, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful buta design, fine weaving design buta, golden zari with contrast threaded weaving design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, this one is border, and this one is bright pink base, pure handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, elegant looks, best for your party wear also. This one also beautiful one, pure cotton, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, pure handloom one, pure hand weaving border design, very exclusive one, beautiful, smart looks. This one is full base part, very comfortable. This one is border, contrast color, stripes pattern with fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design border, and this one is pure cotton, soft cotton base, This one is full base part, beautiful one, fully hand weaving, and this one is full base part without running blouse piece. Very comfortable one, premium quality cotton fabric. And this one is pallu part, smart fine stripes with beautiful pom-pom design pallu. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, best for your summer wear. And I will suggest this printed contrast color blue shaded with beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one also very bright one, very elegant color, bright color also. Golden zari bouquet work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, handloom cotton silk material, and full base part is beautiful heavy work. This one is full base part, and this one is golden zari border. Base is pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful heavy weaving design base. Very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu fully golden base with self weaving design pallu, very beautiful, bright looks, bouquet work pallu part. And this one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful heavy work, and this one is border golden zari with fine weaving design, highlighted weaving design border part. Very exclusive one, bright, beautiful, best for your party wear also. And this one is running blouse piece, bouquet work, running blouse piece. This one is full base part is heavy work, beautiful bright color. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And this one very exclusive one, Sri Lanka cotton with beautiful bright color blue shade, and full base part is texture weaving stripes pattern. This one is full base part, beautiful stripes, texture weaving stripes design, Sri Lanka cotton. And this one is border, and this one is full base part, weaving self weaving texture pattern stripes, very nice one, soft, comfortable one, premium quality. And this one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, stripes. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, multicolor fine stripes pattern, fully self weaving design stripes, fully self weaving design stripes, very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, Sri Lanka cotton, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this soft silk material weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive, smart looks. This one also very bright one, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design, contrast border, black base. And this one is full base part, pure handloom charka cotton. This one is full base part, fine quality, and this one is contrast color border, highlighted stripes lines. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving, fully hand weaving, multicolor buta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design stripes, highlighted the pallu with beautiful weaving, fully hand weaving design work. And this one is beautiful piece motif work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom premium quality charka cotton with beautiful weaving pattern, bright black base, contrast border. And this one is full base part, fully black base, bright black with contrast border, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very elegant one. And this one is running blouse piece, plain body shaded, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive, smart looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There are many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. So, very beautiful one, bright orange shade natural fabric, layer by layer with beautiful weaving pattern, jamdani weaving design, very exclusive one. This one is full base part natural fabric, layer by layer. This one is full base part gold silver zari stripes pattern, full base, and this one is border portions golden zari, fine golden zari with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, bright orange shade, silver zari checks, full base part, border is weaving jamdani work, golden zari border with and border portions beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one, smart elegant looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful smart checks, silver zari checks, golden zari border and border portions beautiful jamdani weaving, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece and base is pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted checks with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, and full base part is silver zari checks, very exclusive, bright, beautiful, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material sequin work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, smart, trendy looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, pure handloom charka cotton with fine weaving design. This one is border portions, fully weaving border with hand weaving design, very nice one, and full base part is pure white with buta contrast color, black shaded hand weaving buta design, full base part. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design, piece motif design pallu. This one is full pallu part, heavy weaving design, fully hand weaving piece motif design. And this one is pallu, highlighted portions, beautiful hand weaving buta, very exclusive one, pure white contrast black thread work, pure handloom charka cotton. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.